Mike Winkler here at Medical College of Georgia. I've loaded some data into the Terarecon Intuition Advanced Imaging Client. On the left is a data set sent to me by Ed Passon in Chicago, which is with standard Philips reconstruction. And then on the right is that same data run through Pixelshine for denoising, then manipulated with a couple tricks of my own. And you can see how much better the volume rendering is with the Pixelshine data. Then I used a thresholding tool here to remove air and fat and contrast in preparation for STL file creation for 3D printing. Then I have a pseudocolor transfer function set here that shows what an STL file will look like once it's converted. So here are the two segmentations in their current state. Again, this is just with a thresholding tool. From here I'd cut away the portions that I don't want to print. I can demonstrate that a little bit, I guess. I had to put down the microphone, forgive me for that. This should be synchronized. The anterior chest wall stuff is there. There's some diaphragm stuff there. A little bit more anterior chest wall there. Anyway, you get the picture. Oh, it's not happening in the other data set. The point here, though, is, of course, that you can't print noise, and you can't segment noise well either. So this is why we're using Pixelshine denoising for all our preparation for 3D printing. That's pretty impressive, and the prints look just as good.